Hello class, my name is Kirti Gulati and today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are words which describe or give information about a noun or a pronoun. They tell us about the size, color, shape, number, quality or type of a noun or a pronoun. Some examples of an adjective are blue curtains, healthy baby, a large house, 5 mangoes, happy occasion, delicious cake, modern India, lost book, etc. Here the word blue, healthy, large, 5, happy, delicious, modern and lost. They are all adjectives as they are describing these nouns. Some adjectives in sentences. It is a stormy night. Here the word stormy is an adjective. She wore a large hat. Maria has pink cheeks. Rohan is a naughty boy. The trip took 6 hours. These apples are juicy. He has a wooden shoe. Everyone had a wonderful time. An elephant is a huge animal, but it has short tail. All the words in green and underline are adjectives as they are describing words. Now let's write 3 adjectives for each of the nouns. One of them is done for you. Watermelon can be described as red, round, and juicy. Let's find descriptive words for a dress, road, and face. How are the adjectives formed? At times, by only adding the letter Y to a noun, we can form an adjective. For example, cloud becomes cloudy. Rust becomes rusty. Storm becomes stormy. Rain becomes rainy. Wealth becomes wealthy. At times from the spelling, we draw the letter E and Y is added. Shade becomes shady. Smoke becomes smoky. Juice becomes juicy. Stone becomes stony. Taste becomes tasty. Take note of the change in the spelling here. Other way is by doubling the last letter of the word and adding Y. Sun becomes sunny, skin becomes skinny, fog becomes foggy, mud becomes muddy. This is how some adjectives are formed. Adjectives are also formed by adding FUL to the noun. For example, beautiful, cheerful, careful, joyful, helpful, and useful. Many adjectives are formed by adding OUS to a noun. Continue becomes continuous, fame becomes famous, danger becomes dangerous, marble becomes marvelous, caution becomes conscious, humor becomes humorous. Here are some adjectives which are formed from nouns. Anger, angry, expense, expensive, metal, metallic, wool, woolen, sense, sensible, wood, wooden, study, studious, fool, foolish, nation, national, father, fatherly, music, musical, child and childish. These are how adjectives are formed. More exercises and more learning content is available on other videos. Thank you.